We're offering 3 new programs, all in the area of TESOL, which means teaching English to speakers of other languages. First is MA TESOL. You can then specialise and take TESOL and Intercultural Communication, or TESOL and Digital Technology. With the MA TESOL, we would give you the theoretical knowledge and practical skills needed to thrive as an English language teacher, tester, or course designer in the UK or anywhere in the world.
I'm Lewis. I'm a mature student. I was teaching English in Japan for 8 years. Now I'm studying TESOL at Newcastle University. I decided to study at Newcastle University for 2 reasons. The expertise of the lecturers here. So they have a very wide variety of experience and research interests. Another thing that I really liked about the course was the blend of theory and practice. So theory underpins everything we do, but on this course, I've seen how to apply that in the classroom in practical experience.
So we also offer an MA TESOL and Digital Technology, and this course is really good for students who are passionate about the kind of interface between language learning and teaching and technology. Things like designing online materials, ways AI can impact on teaching and learning and course design. We have a lot of cutting-edge facilities available. So, for example, we have the iLab Learn that houses a whole lot of technological innovations, including the digital kitchen, where people can use and learn a second language through activities relating to cooking. And on each module, you will certainly be getting very hands-on and learning the practical skills needed to design your own tech-informed materials and software.
For the TESOL and Intercultural Communication program, we prepare you for the more global and intercultural classroom and organizations.
I realized, teaching a language is not for the sake of, learning a language only. It's how you can develop your knowledge and interests into different cultures around you. And I get to help my students to understand about the culture of the language that they are learning.
I have been teaching in Oman for 2 years before I came here, and now I am a TESOL student at Newcastle University. There's a cultural mix in our classes, which is really helpful because everyone has a different background, everyone brings their experience to class.
It's been really interesting to get experience in how English is taught all over the world. You learn just as much from the other students as you do from the lecturers as well.
So we also work very closely with the International Studies Centre. They give really good support for international students, particularly with academic writing.
The teacher helps us to understand what we have to write, what is expected, how we can, search for appropriate materials, and how we can arrange our work effectively so that we can produce great assignment.
I'm very interested in language, so I keep practicing my Japanese. I use the LRC, the Language Resource Centre, pretty much every week. One of the reasons I decided to come to Newcastle was because of that.
We are here to support our students to apply what they have learned and then to reflect on their own experience and finally connect and apply everything into practice and to prepare them for the future employment.
Particularly for me, their connections all over the world have been really valuable in getting ready for my next step once I graduate.
It has all the modules that are wanted by future employees.
If I could sum up the whole course with some words, it would be interactive and authentic.